Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unarchive any previously archived post. So if you have previously archived any post and you wonder how to unarchive it back or show it back to your profile, then you need to follow these simple steps. First, click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen, and then it will lead you to the settings and activity tab. And here you can see this option which says archive. So click here and you can find in the post archive all of those posts which you have previously archived. So for example, I archived this post. So in order to unarchive it again, I'm gonna click on this post and click on these three dots. And here you can see this option which says show on profile. So simply click on this option and it will ask you for a confirmation. Click on the show on profile button again and wait for the process to happen. Here you can see this message which says restored. So in case the change might not reflect, we will first try to refresh our profile, and here you still can see that the post is still not appearing on the profile. So in that case you need to remove your Instagram and then open it once again as a new fresh session. And if you go to a profile again, you can see that the post is now successfully restored. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.